Hi, this is another important video, screen recording video series for Adlabon. In this video, we explain further details of this consultancy content buttons. I must say that Adlabon is not merely a management tool software. Although in the market, what education organization nowadays using certain softwares which are only based upon basic management tools. That's it. Adlibon is more than that. Adlibon is not merely a management tool based software, although it contains management tools with more greater depths and functionality. More than that, this Adlibon contains the consultancy content also. Whenever any client buy this software Adlibon and apply in their education organization, it completely gives the consultancy guidelines also. And in other words, what I conclude that there are number of management tools in this software which are incorporated with this consultancy content. Those management tools run according to the consultancy content guidelines, so that whatever education organization using this Adlibon in their operations, they have a very good sailing direction smoothly according to these guidelines. Okay, now this screen explains 12 buttons total, which is basically most important buttons for any education organization to run it accordingly. The very first button is how to develop a school. Well, this button is of very importance, especially for those, for example, some investors who have a capital in their pocket but don't have any experience to start the education organization from scratch. So they are looking for certain consultants type people. They are very expensive. But let me say this thing, that if any investor buy Adlibon to start their education business, it's enough. It gives complete consultancy guidelines to the investors also. Moreover, those organizations which are already in operation can use this content also for the further betterment of their operation. How to develop a school? Let's go inside. Here, how to develop a school, will give a small introduction in 2 points. DAEC, Dr. Adnan's Education Consultancy, which is a backup team, which is a consultancy firm which provides a complete backup to develop this Adlibon. How to develop a school? DAEC gives a research-based content. Take a look. We go inside, and here is 2 important buttons. Complete guide document. It gives a complete guidelines to the stakeholder regarding how to develop a school or how to start a school. The very important thing what you are looking is that these 2 buttons are indicating that the files are in Word file format. What is the importance of giving these 2 documents in Word file format is quite simple. Now the logic I explain that you are looking that these 2 buttons are in Word file format. When I click on this button, it start downloading in your system. This Word file start downloads in your system, and once it download, you will open it. The Word file is opening in front of you, and now the document is very clear. What is a school, how to build a successful school, strategies to build successful school, and so forth. We can move further and further. Well, this document is in the Word file. Once our stakeholder go through this document, they are very much clear regarding how to develop a school. Then afterwards they can use this document as it is also, or they can edit it, customize it for their own use. So the point of giving this consultancy content in Word file is that the stakeholders or our clients can customize these documents according to their needs and requirement as well. They can, again I'm mentioning, they can follow the same document, or they can design their documents accordingly. So this is the main logic behind giving these consultancy content in Word file format. Now further, you are looking these brainstorming links. This is also a very thorough research of our team. This contains different links of according to the topic, and you can go through these links also, which contains further thorough details. Checklist for new school setup. It's a complete checklist. Again, it's in the Word format, a checklist in which you can see that if I download here for you, and then you can see the complete checklist also. I'll just show it very briefly. And here is yes, here you are looking at the complete checklist phenomena, and this is also a very editable and very much customizable for the stakeholder. So I am sure now that you understand how we provide this consultancy content to our stakeholders, not only simple in a guideline format, but this content is customizable and editable too. So I'm sure that this brief video gives a very good understanding of this unique feature of Adlib which is a consultancy content. And I again mention it that Adlib is a supreme vertical ERP for education industry, which not only gives the management tools to the organization, but these management tools are based upon this consultancy content guidelines. We will going to record further videos in future explaining further buttons in detail. Thank you very much.